Hey everybody, James here. I'm in a car in California, and so basically this GMC car has a plug-in socket that is, this car has a normal wall socket that you can charge up your Nintendo Switch or 3DS, whatever. So the plug is underneath this flap. So if I just unplug it for a sec. Hold the camera. So if I unplug that, you can see that the plug is underneath this flap. So lift up the flap and you will uncover a traditional power supply wall socket. Now normally a car needs a car adapter for USB cables, but this GMC has, like I said, a normal wall socket underneath that flap, so you can charge up your Switch, your 3DS, or your Chromebook. Plug that back into there, and I'm gonna plug in my camera. Right. Go up the window. Never mind. Sorry, that was my mom making a lot of racket. Hold the camera. So I'm gonna plug that back in, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And before I end the video, that green light turns on whenever something has been plugged into that wall socket. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. And if you have not subscribed yet, please consider doing so. And I will see you all next time in the next video or so. Have a good day, everybody.